ProDirectSportcom review: is ProDirect Soccer legit or a scam? ProDirectSportcom review: is ProDirect Soccer legit or a scam? If you're shopping for soccer gear, ProDirectSportcom might be on your radar. But is it a reputable store, or is it risky to buy from online? Most people get this wrong by assuming high-end products sold online automatically mean the store is safe. The surprising truth is that ProDirectSportcom is a well-known, legitimate retailer specializing in soccer, football and sports gear. It carries brands like Nike, Adidas and Puma, and ships internationally with secure payment options. You won't believe what happens next. Many users praise fast shipping, authentic products and responsive customer service. Discounts, seasonal deals and loyalty programs also make shopping there attractive. While some complaints exist, mostly about size issues or delayed delivery, these are relatively minor compared to its overall reliability. In conclusion, ProDirectSportcom is legit. It's a trustworthy option for purchasing authentic sports gear online. Always double-check sizing charts and shipping policies, but overall, the site delivers a safe and reliable shopping experience for athletes and sports enthusiasts.